Welcome. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through the simple steps to add your date of birth on the Telegram app using your computer. With the new update, Telegram has made it even easier to customize your profile details, so let's get started right away. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once the app is loaded, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll notice three small horizontal lines, sometimes referred to as the menu button. Click on that to open up the sidebar menu. From this menu, you'll want to head straight into the section labeled My Profile. This is where you'll find all of your personal information and settings related to your Telegram account. Inside your profile page, look toward the top right corner for the edit icon, usually shown as a small pencil symbol. Click that, and it will allow you to make changes to your personal details. Among the options that appear, you'll now see a field dedicated to your date of birth. Go ahead and click on the Date of Birth option. A calendar-style section will open up, and here you can easily select your exact birth date, including the day, month, and year. Take a moment to double-check everything so that the information is correct. Once you have entered the correct date, look for the Save button at the bottom of the window. A single click is all it takes, and your date of birth will now be added and officially linked to your Telegram profile. That's all it takes. Just a few quick steps, and you're done. By adding your date of birth, you keep your profile more complete and aligned with Telegram's latest update. It's a small step that makes your account feel a little more personal. So now you know exactly how to add your date of birth to your Telegram app on PC with the new update. It only takes a couple of minutes, and you're all set. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to revisit it anytime you need to adjust your profile again.